tagging method, so we print out the tags for an object before we modify it and also after we modify it. Now we will need to create a new tagging object. We will gonna call it tags, and it will be type of tagging. Inside this tags we will need to pass a tag set so we can have the objects of key and value inside this list of tag list. So I'm gonna give it the first key. I'm gonna give it the name key1. I'm gonna go to the value. I'm gonna give it val1. I will come down here, duplicate this. It changed the values again, and I'm all set, and I added my own new tag set. Now what we will need to do, we need to create a bot object tagging request. I'm gonna call it request. We need to pass 3 main parameters to this: the bucket name, the key, which is the file name or object name, and we need for sure to pass the tags that we want to pass. And now we have this tags list embedded inside the request. Now let's create a new bot object tagging response, and this will actually be of client dot bot object tagging. And also always remember there is an async version for almost everything. We're gonna pass the request, and now like the response can contain some useful information, like if the status method is 200, we're gonna say that the object updated successfully. We need to look for OK, which is 200. Oops, we need this, and we need to print a friendly message to our user. So now we have all the code we need. Let's call this inside the main method, and let's run our own application. Notice at the beginning we will see that there is no tags, but after we update the tags on the object, we can see now the newly tags added to this object, and now it's stored in the cloud. These tags can be helpful in classifying and searching throughout our own objects.